Commutative property. We're going to learn all about the commutative property of addition and the commutative property of multiplication right here, right now. Hey, my name's Jason Jacobs, and I'm going to be your math teacher. I get right to the point, so let's get going. Let's play a little game. Add this up as quick as you can. Ready, set, go. You getting it? Right here. Add it up. Add it up. What did you get? Well, did you get 30? Because 30 would be the right answer. And here's a little trick. A lot of you probably went 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 plus 8 is, and that's daunting. But if you use the commutative property of addition, what you can do is rearrange those add-ins. So you rearrange those add-ins just the way you want. And you can do that in your head or right on the paper. Let me show you. So in this instance, I'm going to use 10 pairs. 10 pairs add up to 10 easily. And we learned that in like first grade or so. So 6 pairs with 4, I'm going to take the 6 and the 4, I'm going to rewrite it 6 plus 4. And this is what the commutative property is allowing us to do. Switch around the add-ins as long as it's all addition or all multiplication, but not a mixture of both, right? You can't do that. But here, so I use the 6 and 4. Now the 7 and 3 I can use. And now the 8 and 2 go together. Now that makes it real easy because we have 6 plus 4 is 10. 7 plus 3 is 10, and 8 plus 2 is also 10. And that's how we get 30 really, really quick instead of feeling like we gotta go left to right. And that is the commutative property of addition. So the commutative property of addition states, as long as it's all addition, A plus B is the same as B plus A. So let's do some examples, guys. 3 plus 2 equals blank plus 3. Now, I used to teach 4th grade, and a lot of times in 4th grade, the kids would put 5 here. Do you see why they would put 5? But that is incorrect, because this equal sign says the same as. So 3 plus 2 is the same as what plus 3? So if this side equals 5, this side 2 must equal 5. So 5 does not go there. But the commutative property means you can switch them, swap them. So 3 plus 2 is the same as 2 plus 3. And these are the type of problems that you'll see. So why don't you guys try this one now? You can also do it with 3 add-ins or 6 add-ins, as long as it's all addition in this case. So 5 plus 7 plus 6 is the same as blank plus 5 plus 7. Well, which one were we missing here, guys? That's right, we were missing the 6. So the 6 goes here. And you might be thinking, oh, so whatever number's here goes there. That's just a coincidence, okay? Now let's do the commutative property of multiplication. And that states A times B is the same as B times A. So as long as it's all multiplication, you can rearrange the factors so that it can be done easier. Similar to what I did with the commutative property of addition right here. So 5 times 2 is the same as 2 times 5. And the common mistake, some of you might have thought to put 10 there. That would be wrong. And that's okay to make a mistake, but now you know. 5 times 2 is the same as 2 times 5. And let's look at this one. 6 times 2 times 5 is the same as what times 5 times 6? Well, in this case, 6 times 2 is 12, and then 12 times something might be a little more difficult. So I would notice maybe perhaps this 2 times 5 is 10, and multiplying by 10 is a lot easier. So maybe you want to do, and this, by the way, should be multiplied. Maybe you want to do 2 times 5 times 6, because 10 times 6 is 60. So notice we just changed these factors around. We just switched the factors around. As long as it's all multiplication, I actually had an addition there. But that is the commutative property of addition and the commutative property of multiplication. My name is Jason Jacobs. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Keep doing your math. Bye, guys.